Moving is stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Just hire the right professionals to do the job. Little Red Wagon Moving, they're experienced professionals. They are happy, friendly, and efficient. Just the answer you need. They do all kinds of moves: residential, long distance, apartments, even last-minute moves. And they'll also provide the resources to support you during this stressful time. A free estimate, a comprehensive moving checklist. They'll even help you report your change of address. And of course, full-service packing for your move. Little Red Wagon Moving, servicing Colorado Springs, Falcon, Monument, the entire area. And they can move you across the nation as well. Give them a call at 719-499-6285 or email them at vstridic@gmail.com. Little Red Wagon Moving. Don't stress out. Give them a call today.